Greetings everyone, my name is Corinna from the Boho Abode, and today I'm going to be installing some peel and stick wallpaper from Spoonflower in my dining room. I'm really excited for this project. It's one of the projects I'm completing as part of the New Year New Room Refresh Challenge, and Spoonflower is one of our official sponsors, so I thank them for partnering with us on this. So I'm going to be kind of vlogging this process. I have only ever done a peel and stick product that was a mural, and that product was way different from this one. This product is very sturdy. It's a lot thicker, so I'm hoping that means it's going to be a lot easier to install, but I don't know yet. So the first thing I've got to do is take down all of the stuff that is on the wall where I'm going to be installing the wallpaper, and I am going to be installing the wallpaper where you see the blue paint. So above the decorative trim, above the windows, throughout the room here, you can see that is where I'm going to be installing this decorative peel and stick wallpaper. So I've got to get these curtains down, so let me just jump right into it. Now that everything is removed from the walls where wallpaper is getting installed, I have gathered my supplies, and that is a utility knife with a fresh blade. I have my smoothing tool, and Spoonflower does send this with their wallpaper. I have my instructions, and I'm glad I read this first because I was thinking I would start with the shortest wall, but it mentions starting in a corner where it won't be obvious that a pattern doesn't line up, because the pattern isn't guaranteed to line up once you work your way all the way around a room. I'm only doing 3 walls of the section at the top of those 3 walls, but if I wanted to get the corner lined up where I start and I wanted to work right to left, the wall that connects to that wall, I would then have to work right to left, the opposite direction, if that's making sense. Hopefully that's making sense, me explaining it, but I want to be able to work left to right all the way around the room. So glad I read that. So now I know I'm starting in the corner over here. So let's just get into it. right, so I have one wall completed. I started down over there and I've made it all the way to here, and I wanted to pause with a couple of thoughts. First thought, this is not as hard as I thought it was going to be. It's actually easy, I guess, in the grand scheme of things. I'm trying to think of things to compare it to. Painting, I would do this any day over painting the walls. So there's that, take it for what you will. I do like how thick this is. It makes it really easy to smooth out without accidentally damaging it, although you don't want to smooth too hard with this. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. Here, let me get you closer. So you can see some white marks. This one here was already on the wallpaper, but like these spots here and these ones, these are from getting the wallpaper stuck to itself, as well as scraping too hard with the smoothing tool. So just keep that in mind if you're thinking of trying it. All right, all of the wallpaper is installed. It only took me 2 hours to get all of this up. I do still need to go in and trim these pieces where I had excess at the ceiling, but I need to go pick up my kiddo from school first. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to come back, trim those, get the curtain rods up, and fingers crossed, there will still be sunlight out so I can show what the room looks like with the new wallpaper in. is all installed. I've got it all cleaned up. There's nothing left for me to do with it, and I've got the room put back together as best I can, a room that is still in progress. So all that's left for me to do is reveal the installed wallpaper. Redesign of this space, make sure you are subscribed to my channel because I have a few more project videos and then the reveal coming very soon. Also, don't forget to like this video. Not only does it help me out a lot, but it also makes sure you are more likely to see my videos in your recommended. That is all from me today. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it so much. I cannot wait to chat with you again soon. Bye!